Welcome back to Max Me Easy. Let's continue with motions problem on time part 8. Here is the eighth question. Calculate the time taken by the train moving with the average speed of 50 km per hour cover a distance of 250 km. Here they are asking us to calculate the time taken by the train, right? How much time did it took? And they have given the additional information like average speed. That means the train has traveled with average speed of 50 km per hour and for the distance of 250 km. Here this is a train and this train is traveling at the average speed of 50 km per hour and it has covered a distance of 250 km, right? 250 km it has traveled and the what was the average speed of this train is 50 km per hour, right? And they are asking us to find the time taken. How much time did it took for starting from here and reaching till this point? How much time did it took, right? First of all, let's write down the given data. Here they have given the average speed, that is 50 km per hour, right? And they have even given the distance, that is d is equal to 250 km, right? And they are asking us to find the time. So time is equal to how much? This is the data which they have given and we all know the formula for this average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance covered by total time taken, right? But this is the formula for average speed. But how can we find out the time from this? Instead of learning three formulas from this part itself, from this one formula itself, you can able to calculate time or distance and average speed. From this three, if they give any two values, you can find it out one very easily. If they have given speed and time and asking us to find the distance, then easily by using this formula itself you can able to find out. But the thing is, you have to change it as per the requirement. See here, let me explain you this so that it will be clear how to change this formula. Here we need to find out the time, that is this part, right? So keep this part on the one side of the equal to and send all the other on the other side. Whatever you need to find out, keep it on one side and send the remaining to the other part. If you keep this time here itself and send this total distance on the other side, but this total time will remain on the denominator. But we need to find out this, right? So it should be in the numerator. You have to remember this. So you can take this on the other side of the equal to. That is from this side to, you have to take it to the left side, from right side to left side. When you are taking from either the side of the equal to, there is a division sign in between these two, right? So division becomes multiplication. That is total time taken into average speed is equal to total distance covered. And what we need to find out? We need to find out the time, right? So keep this time on one place and get this average speed towards the other side. What is the sign between them? It's multiplication, because we are getting this average speed on the either side of the equal to. Multiplication becomes division. That means total time taken is equal to total distance covered by average speed. So this is the formula. We have just changed this formula. I hope it's clear. Even if they ask you to calculate the distance by giving the time and average speed, then keep the distance at one place of the equal to, one side of the equal to, and remember that the distance should be in the numerator, not in the denominator, right? Keep the distance at one place and just change the position of this total time taken, that is total distance covered is equal to average speed into total time taken will be the formula. I hope you are able to understand, because it plays a major role. Just by remembering a one formula, you can able to solve three kinds of problems. Right? Now just substitute the values over here. What is the total distance? 250 kilometer by what is the average speed? 50 kilometer per hour. So just cancel it and you will get 5 hours. But how did you got this hours, right? You might have got idea. Here there is a kilometer and a kilometer is also there. But how did we got this hour? It is very easy, children. Let me explain you. Look here, it's 250 kilometer, right? See on the top, it is kilometer, only one. It is not a fraction, right? But in the lower part, you can see kilometer per hour. It is in the fraction form. Always while dividing both the any in integers or anything, it should be in fractions. Both should be in fractions because only centimeter and centimeter can be added, right? Centimeter can be divided, right? Similarly, the unit should be same, but here it is fraction, here it is not fraction. So first of all you need to make this 250 kilometer by 1, and towards the down, that is, I'm just talking about the units, children. 50 kilometer per hour, right? Here when you are dividing two fractions, what is the condition? For dividing the two fractions, it will become reciprocal, right? It will become reciprocal, that is 1 kilometer by hour, and I am going to take the reciprocal of this, that is numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So it will become hour is in denominator, right? So when it becomes reciprocal, it comes to the numerator. Hour divided by kilometer. Now look over here, kilometer, kilometer gets cancelled. So what is left over? Hour, right? This is how I got hours over here. I hope it's clear. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for the problems on motions. Thank you.